So for my study tool, I use Quizlet because it has a lot of different benefits built within it. So down here you can just see the different definitions and then like the vocabulary words that I used. And then there are just a lot of different study tools that you can do, such as like flashcards, um, writing, which will just like give you like the question and like you answer it. You can do spelling if it's like a spelling test. You can do practice tests, and then just like different games to help you learn the actual material. From like a teacher's standpoint, um, you can like add this to a class or folder, which is like over here, and so then like the kids within your class will like have access to that, and then they can like always go into that folder and just like see the material that is learned, that is needed to be learned for like that unit or whatever it is or exam. And then up here you can also look at like different scores. You can just like combine two different like quizzes that like you have made, which is awesome. And then you can always like create more Quizlets, and then like also just like share them with other people.